This is my long-awaited video on how I tint my own eyebrows at home. Your girl has very fine hair and my eyebrows always need to be done by being darkened or drawn on. So stay tuned if you want to see how I did this at home. Hey Diva Dolls, this is your girl CrissyTheDoll and I am back with a DIY video today. As you can see, I am bare, I am raw, I am just straight up real. If you watch my beauty videos, you know I draw in and darken my eyebrows. I do not have thick hair. My hair is very fine, hence my eyebrows. So I decided to do a DIY on my eyebrows and I'm going to tint them today. So this is supposed to give me a more semi-permanent kind of solution to waking up having darker eyebrows and just being able to go. I've never done this before. I've never had it done before and we're stuck at home and at home bored, so I figure what better time to experiment than now. So if you want to see how my eyebrows turn out, stay tuned. Okay y'all, so I'm not going to make this video very drawn out. I'm going to pull everything out of here. It again has everything you need inside. It does come with this angle brush, which is great because I had one pulled out just in case. There's a caution strip in here, a developer in here, and apparently a little cute mixing bowl in here, and you have 20 pre-measured tints. So this is how it comes packaged, and these are little capsules filled with the powder. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get right into it. Now what I'm gonna do is put some Vaseline on the outer perimeter, kind of like a protective barrier, so to speak. It says to take one of these capsule, to go ahead and open it and put it inside of the mixing bowl, and then you put about a 1/4 teaspoon of the developer in, and then you mix it around. So I'm gonna, I assume, mix it using this side of the brush that it came with, and I'm gonna use that side obviously to put it on. Now when I do my eyebrows like this, that usually lets me see my arch a little better, so that's what I'm gonna do. So next I'm gonna go ahead, take one of the capsules out. Looks like this. And I'm going to put it in here. So I squeeze the capsule and I'm gonna just dump it in. So set about a 1/4 of a teaspoon. Get all the grittiness out of it. So this is what it's looking like. Now, this part is pretty self-explanatory. I am just now taking this dye and sweeping it across my eyebrows. It's kind of liquidy, and basically I'm just gonna keep putting it on, trying to stay in between these lines that I've made for myself with the Vaseline. And it starts to dry. If you've ever had a henna tattoo, this consistency feels just like that. So as it dried on one eyebrow, I went ahead and went back over it again with the other eyebrow. I kind of let it dry, and this is about the 3rd layer on top. Okay everyone, now we're here. Okay, I left it on for about 10 minutes because I got on my phone and tried to TikTok and whatnot. I still can't figure it out, but I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off now. I really feel like this is henna. That's what it reminds me of. The consistency, how it dries and starts to crack. I'm pretty sure this is henna, like a henna tattoo. Although it does give you a caution as far as don't leave it like a tattoo, but that's exactly what I did. And again, you're watching this video as my first DIY. We're doing this together, and hey, if I can teach you what not to do, that's fine too. So I just have a spray bottle here because I'm in my studio and I want to you know, just get my eyebrow wet. Interesting. Very interesting so far. Okay. It's a little harsh in the front, so okay. I'm not too mad at it. I mean, okay. I mean, we got an eyebrow, so let's take off the other one. I'm not mad at it, y'all. I really could have been a little neater. And this is me using a damp rag, just really trying to get... Let me go put some makeup on my little scar that I made because it's about my eyebrows right now. Okay, y'all, I am not mad at it. This is what we're looking like so far. Again, do not mind this right here, okay? We're not doing a video on my scar, but look. I'm digging it. I wish I was a little bit more careful with the beginning part of my eyebrow, so I'm going to try to do like a micro blading. I don't know how sharp this is, but I'm gonna try and do like a stroke in the front. You can't really get the effect that I'm going for here. I'm kind of just freehanding this now because I know how this kind of feels now, so. I should have did this from the beginning. It would have looked so nice. So if you're watching this video, there's a tip. Do the hair stroke lines in the front. Don't just do the whole shading, okay? Yeah. Ow. Ow. Okay, so I went ahead, wiped it off, and this is what we're looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my eyebrows with a pair of tweezers. As you can see, I have little hairs outside of the tint, but this is my first time and I'm not mad at it. Like, I can wake up and have pronounced eyebrows. You can see what it is that I'm trying to convey with my facial expressions now that I have eyebrows. Okay, dolls, so that is it. So far, I'm in love because I know I'm gonna, of course, outline them still, add in some hair strokes in the front. I wish that I started in the back and didn't really do the front so much, or at least shaped it a little bit better, but hey, again, I am pleased. I will put the before and after. So as you can see, I am super pleased. Of course, I have on a wig, some lashes. I did clean up my eyebrows, but I can wake up and go. I slayed, honey. Please, please, please give this a try. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Follow me on Instagram. Check out more pictures there at CrissyTheDoll. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.